Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
What's up everyone? Welcome to HindiPod101.com. I'm Anuj Khurana and today we are going to learn how you can respond if someone asks you that how are you? So let's begin. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. Or another way is मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm okay. How about you? मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. So if you ask someone that how they are doing and if they reply मैं ठीक हूँ, so to answer to this, if you are also doing good, it can be मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I am also good. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. This is a different sentence which we can use. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. If someone asks you how are you and if you're not feeling good, then you can reply to it like this. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? Okay, so another way of asking someone is that how are you is हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. Or another way to reply to this is मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. Or I'm doing great. मैं बढ़िया हूँ. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. So if someone asks you how you're doing and if you want to thank you them, so you can reply to them like this. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. This can be used in context of replying or appreciating to them that they have asked you about your wellness and you want to thank them. धन्यवाद. Thank you. If someone asks you that how you are doing and you want to reply to them by thanking them, so you can just say धन्यवाद. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Thank you. और आप? And you? So if someone asks you how are you and if you want to ask them in the same way in Hindi, so you can say और आप? And you? और आप? And you? Okay, so these are the different kind of replies which you can use or which you can answer someone if someone asks you that how you are doing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Kindly subscribe to our channel which is Hindi Pod 101. You can also visit to our website which is HindiPod101.com and you can find many more such videos over there. I'll be back with many more such video lessons. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Namaste.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.